dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
No, say me I go trash you, sha. I go trash you, sir. Don't look at my card. He's playing.
Oh, it's my head. My head is playing.
Leo. Go to the market if you don't have it. Go to the market. Last card. Last card. What did you just play now? How come you played this?
Last card, please. If you don't have it.
I don't understand. You played this. You don't have triangle. Thank you for showing me all your cards. Without pleasure, baby.
No, I think this is cheating.
How is it cheating, sir? Check up. Check up.
Actually, I'm disqualified when you saw my card.
Oga, let me hear one. Now your mistake.
It's not my mistake.
It's your mistake.
It's not my card.
It's your mistake, babe.
It's not my card.
It's your mistake, baby. Which setback?
It's not even a setback. It's not even.
1-0.
Not even.
What kind of game did you give me like this now, this guy? Yeah?
People that complain and people that don't know how to play.
Oga, let me hear, I beg. What kind of game is this now? Carpet, I beg. I cannot be doing this.
Have we go to the market, please?
Which market? Which market?
If you don't have, go to the market, please.
I'm not going to the market. I didn't tell you that I don't have it. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Last card.
Last card. Last card, last card. Last card, last card. I told you that one is the only one you have today.
You're hailing yourself because you got 2.
You're such a player, man.
Eh?
Such a player.
You're hailing yourself because you got 2.
Yes, man.
What is 2? If you reach 10, I will understand.
Can you get 2?
Your mouth is running like tap now.
Easy now. Come on.
Let's see now. We're going to play another round. Definitely. You know we are still. What do you mean you're here? I'm still going to win. I'm going to win you like 5 times, and you know that. I'm not stealing nothing. I deserve it.
We deserve what?
You like give us 100 cards to play here. Okay.
Beautiful cards. Oh, please.
You said pick 2.
Yeah, that's okay.
Why are you playing so many cards?
Because that's what champions do. That what champions do. You see that? Play. I'm switching up the game, please. Give me a triangle.
Yeah, without pressure.
No, see your card there.
Which card? Is the one I shared, babe? No. Babe, it's the one. No. Let's not go there. No. That's not true, babe. I didn't cheat. No, stop. You're trying to cheat me. I picked multiple cards from the market. I didn't even know there was multiple cards until it fell on the ground.
So you didn't put it in your hands, you left it on the floor, and you want to.
I picked up one. I didn't see where that one fell. Why are you trying to cheat me?
Yes, like you didn't see, but it's yours. Oh my God.
Please, it's 3-3. I've equalized. I don't know what you're saying here. This is not World Cup. This is not World Cup. This is not World Card Championship, sir. Victory is sweet, my dear. Victory is sweet. Come on. Victory is sweet. Jesse, I won you. I won you, babe. 10-5. I won you by. Talk to me, guy. Where you they go? I won him. I won this man. I won him. 10-5.
Just lock.
10-5.
Lock that I use.
10-5.
Use lock.
10-5.
Have you ever won me before?
10-5. What do you mean? I've won you how many times? What do you mean? 10-5, babe.
Which defeat?
Accept defeat.
Card that I was allowed.
Card that what? Accept defeat, sir. Accept defeat.
See, I just wanted to feel good. Because of the weather.
What?
Because of the weather.
Which weather? 10-5, 1 fair and square. Drops mic.
The next day.
What's in the cook?
Mimi, do you want to help Daddy cook?
You want to help Daddy? Daddy's cooking. I want to help you, Daddy. So guys, this is the noodles that we use. And it's so yummy, guys. Like, it's so yummy. You will help your daddy now.
I'm coming.
Husband even chop onions, chop green pepper. Carrot today inside here, safe. Husband man. Come on. Hi, Jenny. Jennifer has food inside her mouth. How are you? But then if I see your skin, you don't have any skin blemishes.
See, I bet once you leave that thing, no see the way I get it. You see the video, this thing. Wifey.
No, honestly, I noticed.
Stop that thing.
Yay.
You stop that thing. Because Kai, I want to take care of myself. Like I cannot.
Daddy, I want to help you. I want to help you, Daddy. This light where they blink for this kitchen, everything just they vex me.
Okay, why is it like that?
I think he wants to die, so we need to change that bulb.
Okay.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So Mia and I are here to unbox this. Her package came in from Earth's Child yesterday, and I mentioned this in a few vlogs ago that Mia is the current kid brand ambassador for Earth's Child. Yay! Are you happy?
Yeah.
You're happy? All right, so they sent her this package yesterday and we just want to unbox it. Are you excited? So let's unbox this so they can see. All right, so there are two products here. They're soaps. So there are two products here. First of all, we have a card that says, welcome to the Earth's Child family. Welcome to the Earth's Child family. The beauty kit you now own makes you one with nature as Earth's Child, curated with attention to details for a pleasurable me time. Indulge proudly. We are positive you're going to love it. Earth's Child. All right, so this is a brand that I have worked with before so many times, and they're also one of my sponsors for A Day with Almangu. If you were at my event, you went home with something from Earth's Child, and I hope you enjoyed it. So they sent me two soaps. So they have these two new products. This is called the Shea Soap. Okay, this is the Shea Soap, and this is the Shea Soap, the unscented one. So there is a scented one and then the unscented one. Do you want us to open it and see what it looks like? Yeah. Okay. I love the packaging. Like, this is a brand that I love because everything they use just feels and looks so natural, you know. All right. Smells so good. Do you like it? I love this brand so much because, like I said before, their things are always done with like the best natural ingredients, natural product. You're kissing the soap. This ambassador is very obsessed with this brand though. You guys can see the Earth's Child engraved in the soap. Really, really nice. Let's open the unscented one. So this is the unscented Shea Soap, and this one is the scented one, this one right here. These soaps are very, very pocket friendly. Trust me, they are very pocket friendly. They are very, very mild. Okay, very, very, very mild. Mostly made with shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. Basically, kids from ages 10 and above with normal skin types can use the scented version, while kids 10 years and below, just like Mia Rose, because of their fragile skin, can use the unscented version.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. She's like, Mommy, you're talking too much. Please, can we hurry up? I've used nice natural soaps like this for her from Earth's Child when she was even younger, and it's just amazing and just very, very mild.
Are you done?
I'm almost done. It's so, so nice and so mild and amazing.
I'm laughing.
You're laughing. So if you have a kid and you're wondering what soap to use for them, I would advise you go with the unscented Shea Soap from Earth's Child. It's amazing. And yeah, Mimi, are you excited to try out your soap? Okay. All right, guys. So just thought to I must say, check them out.
Check them out.
Yeah, check out Earth's Child. If not for anything, because of my darling Mia Rose that is the ambassador, please check out Earth's Child. Check out my soap.
Check myself.
Check out my soap.
Check myself.
Okay guys, so with that we are coming to the end, or rather we have come to the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, say thumbs up. Say subscribe, thumbs up, share, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Mwah.
What it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night?